Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 25th of August 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 25th of August 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, who has become the new IPL title sponsor? Answer is Dream 11, who took oath as the new Goa governor on August 19, 2020. Answer is Bhagat Singh Koshari. Which Indian Sports Authority will be providing immediate support to 61 athletes who are not employed due to the COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is Hockey India. Indian government has set the target of 10% bioethanol blending of petrol by dash. Answer is 2022. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of BSF? Answer is Rakesh Asthana. Sixth question was, who has been honored with the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's Special Award recently? Answer is Soumya Swaminathan. Seventh question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Humanitarian Day annually? Answer is 19th August. Which of the following state government has announced to launch Padai Tuhar Para scheme? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Which of the following day is celebrated as Indian Akshay Urja Day? Answer is 20th August. 10th question was, to provide information related to health and nutrition of tribal population of India, which portal has been launched by Ministry of Tribal Affairs recently? Answer is SWAST. Which state government has decided to provide rupees 50 lakh insurance cover to private doctors who die of COVID-19 infection? Answer is Maharashtra. And last question was, Nai Udan is the scheme launched by which ministry? Answer is Ministry of Minority Affairs. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, which state or union territory police has launched Ek Sankalp Buzurgo Ke Naam campaign? Answer is option number 4, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh State Police Department has launched a special campaign called Ek Sankalp Buzurgo Ke Naam in the view of corona infection in the state. Under this campaign, the police personnel are taking care of elderly or helpless people from the food to their health. Answer will be option number 4, Madhya Pradesh. Next, which is the first foreign bank to launch a green deposit program in India? Answer is option number 1, HSBC Bank. Recently, HSBC India has become the first foreign bank in India to launch a green deposit program exclusively for corporate clients to finance green initiative and eco-friendly projects like renewable energy, clean transportation and pollution prevention, among others, that promote transition to a low carbon, climate resilience and sustainable economy. This will enable companies to support environmentally beneficial projects. Answer will be option number 1, HSBC India. Next, which of the following companies has recently launched Kormo Jobs app in India? Answer is option number 1, Google. Recently, Google has launched Kormo Jobs app in India. It is a separate app for job seekers in India. This app aims to provide jobs to thousands of people who have lost their jobs during the coronavirus outbreak and the young professionals who are looking for jobs. Answer will be option number 1, Google. Google, it is an American multinational technology company. It was founded on 4th of September 1988 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Its headquarters is in California, US, and currently CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Senior Citizens Day annually? Answer is option number 2, 21st August. Every year, 21st August is celebrated as World Senior Citizens Day annually. It is celebrated to raise awareness about the issues that affect older adults. The day also reminds us to appreciate the valuable contribution made by the elders to the communities to create better place to live. Answer will be option number 2, 21st August. Next question, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism annually? Answer is option number 2, 21st August. 21st August is celebrated as United Nations International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism to commemorate and pay tribute to the victims and survivors of terrorism across the globe. The first International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism was observed on 21st of August 2018. Answer will be option number 2, 21st August. Next, which of the following banks has recently launched Loan Against Securities scheme? Answer is option number 2, Yes Bank. Recently, Yes Bank has launched a unique digital solution scheme called Loan Against Securities. And this Loan Against Securities scheme will enable customers to avail loan facility against the securities that they hold. The customers are required only to pledge the securities and not selling them. Answer will be option number 2, Yes Bank. Yes Bank, it was formed in 2003. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, and currently chairman of Yes Bank is Sunil Mehta. Next, which of the following institutions has recently developed the antimicrobial suit Ayush Tara to combat the COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is option number 2, Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Recently, the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, that is DIAT, has developed the antimicrobial suit called Ayush Tara to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. The antimicrobial suit comprises super hydrophobic breathing, comfort feeling, antimicrobial properties. The suit has passed the splash resistance test and has repellent properties which follow the guidelines set by the regulatory body. Answer will be option number 2, Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Next question, which state in India has become the first state to offer government jobs on the basis of marks obtained in NRA test? Answer is option number 2, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh state government has announced to offer government jobs in Madhya Pradesh on the basis of marks obtained in NRA test. NRA. What is NRA? Long form of NRA is National Recruitment Agency. Indian government has decided to set up a National Recruitment Agency, that is NRA. The proposed NRA will conduct a common preliminary examination for various recruitment in the central government. As of now, candidates have to appear for separate exams for multiple recruiting agencies to seek government jobs. For banking jobs in public sector, candidates have to appear for IBPS PO, clerk, RRB and ESO exams. For railways, candidates appear for RRB, and for graduate level and other candidates appear for SSC exam. There are many candidates who appear for all these exams every year to seek central government job. For this, they require to pay separate fees, travel long distances every time, and prepare every year, month and day to crack exam. Setting up the NRA, that is National Recruitment Agency, will do away with these multiple recruitment exams and introduce single common eligibility test, that is CET. Upon qualifying CET, candidates become eligible to appear the further selection rounds for any recruitment process of IBPS, SSC or RRB. And recently, Madhya Pradesh government has also decided to offer government jobs on the basis of marks obtained in NRA test. Answer will be option number 2, Madhya Pradesh. Next, who has been appointed as the new Election Commissioner of India? Answer is option number 1, Rajiv Kumar. Recently, Rajiv Kumar has been appointed as the new Election Commissioner of India. Rajiv Kumar is a retired IAS officer of 1984 batch. He is the former Finance Secretary of India, and recently he has been appointed as the new Election Commissioner of India. Earlier, Ashok Lavasa was the Election Commissioner of India, but he recently has been appointed as the Deputy President of ADB, that is Asian Development Bank. Now, his position will be taken over by Rajiv Kumar. Next, which state government has launched the Indira Rasoi Yojana recently? Answer is option number 4, Rajasthan. Recently, Rajasthan state government has launched Indira Rasoi Yojana in order to pay special tribute to the former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi, on his 76th birth anniversary on August 20. As the name suggests, Indira Rasoi Yojana is a scheme to provide nutritious food to poor people in the urban areas at affordable rates. Under this scheme, the government will provide nutritious food to people at rupees 8 per meal. Answer will be option number 4, Rajasthan. Rajasthan, this is Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot. Its legislature has 200 seats. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan. It borders with Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. It is the largest state by area in India and 5th largest by population in India. And the Panchayat Raj was first adopted in Nagaur district on 2nd of October 1959.